In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your page not found page, otherwise known as your 404 page. That page is what people see if they come to a URL on your website that doesn't exist anymore. So if we just type a random URL in here, we'll see we get this 404 error, page not found. This page isn't bad, but it doesn't have much personality, and a lot of times people want to customize it so it matches their website a little bit and their store's brand. These pages can show up when maybe you've deleted a product in the past, and so that product got indexed by Google and now it's no longer on the site. Or if maybe you created a content page and now you're no longer using it, or if you had a sale page and there's nothing on sale, so you've deactivated it, whatever the case might be, people are inevitably going to come across this page. So if we want to make this look a little bit nicer, we're basically going to edit the theme files to get rid of all this default content, and then we're going to use Page Builder to create our own custom page. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to edit the theme files. Now, if you're a enterprise or a multi-storefront like this store is, you'll go into Channel Manager to access your theme. If not, you'll just go into Storefront and you'll see your themes listed here, the access to the themes. But we're going to go into Channel Manager here, and then we'll see themes here on the left. So the first thing you're going to need to do is, if you haven't created a copy of your theme, you'll need to do that first. You can see this is my base theme here. I've already made a copy of it, so now I've got this custom version up here that I can edit. So I'm going to go into Advanced, Edit Theme Files. And then I'm going to find that template. So that template's going to be under Templates, Pages, Errors, because it's an error page, and then 404, because we know it's the 404 page. So if we look at the code here, we can see there's a page heading that says page not found. There's a paragraph which has the text, and then there's a search box. And if we look at this page itself, here it is. There's the heading, paragraph, and then the search box. So you can choose to keep whichever of these elements you want, or you can get rid of all of them. And you don't even need this thing at the top. This is called the breadcrumb. If you don't want that, you can see here's the breadcrumb code. You could delete that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and actually just delete the breadcrumb, and then I'm going to delete all this content that's in here, the title, the paragraph, and the search box. So I'm going to highlight it and delete it. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a region for Page Builder so that I can use Page Builder to build out some custom content. Now I've put the default code for a region in the video description on this YouTube page, but you can also just go into your home template file, which will automatically be open, and then you can just find a region and copy it and paste it. So we can find this region right here. This is the region that appears below the homepage carousel. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it in here, and then I'm just going to change the name of it. And something to note about regions is spaces have to be denoted with an underscore, not with a dash and not with a space. So we're going to call this page underscore not underscore found. Okay, so that's our region name, and then we're going to save and apply this file. Okay, so now that we've saved that code, we need to actually access that page with Page Builder. That's a little challenging because when you go into Page Builder, it's not going to let you change the URL to get to an error page. So the easiest way to do that is to open your store, and on most themes, what you're going to see is this bar at the top that says Design this page in Page Builder. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put in some nonsensical URL. And that's going to take us to this page, this 404 page, which would have that default content, but remember we deleted it all. And then we're going to click Design this page in Page Builder. So now we can see that we're on our 404 page, and we have this region here, which we added. And we can make sure that that's the right region by looking at the layers. And we'll see this shows us all the regions on the page, and here's our region for page not found. So we know that we're on the right page. So what we can do here is we can put in our own custom text. Whatever you want it to say, you can change the size. Maybe we want to add an image above the text. We can maybe put some funny little image there. And then we might want to add some text below it. You know, that says, sorry, you've landed on a page that no longer exists. You know, check out some of our bestsellers below or something like that. You could put some category images. You could put a product set that maybe shows some of your featured products. You can put whatever you want on this page, but you can see already it's going to look a lot more interesting than that default 404 page. And then when you've made your changes, go ahead and publish them. And obviously I didn't use real images, but if we come back and we look at this page, you can see it's got all my custom content. So this is just a nice little way to add some personalized branding to your website so that when people land on that page, it doesn't look so blah. And it's just kind of a cool way to keep your customers engaged even if they end up on that page. So I hope you found this video useful. If you like it, please like it below and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comments. And if you did like this video, it would be great if you subscribe to my channel, and then you'll get notified of new videos that I post in the future. Thanks.